how to fix Minecraft skin not showing in multiplayer. Open up your computer search and you want to search for add or remove programs. Click on the first option that pops up right here. Now we're just going to search for Minecraft, and you want to do this for the Minecraft for Windows app. Click on the three dots, advanced options, click on terminate, then you want to click on repair. Now once you have done this, we can go back and do the same for the Minecraft launcher as well. So Minecraft, search for it, three dots, advanced options. Now we want to terminate this and repair it. Now once you have done this, then we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be opening up our computer search again, searching for graphics settings. Click on system settings here. Then you want to add a Microsoft Store app, and you will just find the Minecraft launcher and Minecraft for Windows. You just want to click on them to add them both. And now you will expand Minecraft for Windows and set the GPU preference to high performance and optimizations for windowed games. And again, you will do the same, high performance and optimizations for windowed games. And this should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.